In less than a couple minutes, I'm going to show you guys how you can use an Adobe Photoshop alternative that doesn't require you to download anything, use any sketchy websites, pay for anything, and it is 100% virus and malware free. All right. This is an alternative to Adobe Photoshop, so it is not Adobe Photoshop itself. It is not an Adobe product. However, it is developed to be a one-for-one alternative. So it's got all the same shortcuts. It's got the same UI. It works the exact same as Photoshop. It just isn't Photoshop. So to get started, you can click on the link in my description below. However, you can just go to your preferred browser and look up Photopea. Once you've done that, go to the first link that it gives you and you'll be directed to something that looks like this. From here, you can do whatever you'd like, however you'd like to do it. For the sole purpose of this video and to do an example, I'm going to create a new project and I'm going to use one of the pre-fault canvases that it gives me. And you've got all your different options here that you can change all your profiles and your background colors and the width and the heights. Click create and this is it. This is the Photoshop alternative. It is one of the only safest methods that you can use in order to have Photoshop. Every other method on YouTube or online is going to have some sort of virus or malware embedded in it if you have to download it, and all the other videos solely just a clickbait. So if you did like this tutorial and you want to see more of this sort of stuff, please like, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.